Hey, welcome back to another new video on how to save battery on Samsung smartphones. If you're facing any issues in Samsung like battery draining fast or battery problems etc., this video is specially for you. Also, this video is for any models of Samsung like A50, S20 FE 5G, S21 FE, S20 etc. In simple words, for all Galaxy series mobiles and remaining models of Samsung. To save battery, you need to turn on only two options which are available in your mobile itself. Yes, these settings are available in your mobile itself to save the battery. Currently, I am using the Samsung S20 FE 5G which is having 4000 mAh battery. After unboxing, I noticed that the battery draining issues in this mobile. But later, I found these settings and currently I'm using. Now I can say that my battery health is improved and I'm getting an amazing battery backup. Before going to the settings, I already posted a video on how to improve the battery lifespan in any Samsung mobile. With combination of that and this setting, I'm getting this good battery backup. The video link is in description box and iCards on the top right. Don't forget to watch after this. Now it's your turn to enable this and get the maximum battery backup for your usage. To do this, open settings in your Samsung mobile. Scroll down, you can see an option called battery and device care. Open it. If in case you are seeing bad or problems here, just click on the optimize now. After that, your mobile also show this good smiley here. Here, click on the battery. Scroll down and select more battery settings. You will be landed in this page. Or if you don't want this little lengthy process, right after opening the settings, go to search and type more battery settings. No problem, you will be landed to this page instantly. Here you turn on these two options. Number one is adaptive battery, which actually optimizes the battery based on your usage pattern. And number two is protect battery, which charges your mobile up to 85% only to increase the battery lifespan. Even mobile companies are also sharing this information that you don't need to charge your mobile 100% each and every time. By enabling these two options, you will observe the battery backup time improvements in your mobile. Just use it for at least 1 to 2 weeks because it optimizes the battery based on your usage pattern. Comment your review after testing in your mobile. As usual, my name is Rajshekar. You're watching Tech Bunny. See you in the next video. Here is my previous video and another one is the YouTube recommending video that many of like you are watching.